us out for a little cruise to see how this microphone's going to work, what kind of racket it's going to pick up or not pick up. Stop sign, stop sign. Hot people. House in the dirt. Built the house and covered it up with dirt. This is a beautiful piece of property here. Don't know who owns it, but probably some family land someone inherited sometime. No telling how much the fencing cost here. Cows, cattle farm, I'm sure. Tuesday morning, I missed our ride, Burning Daylight Riders ride this morning due to complications with BM. It was quite a struggle. Was finally able to clear things out after about 3 hours. Deer. Did you see the deer? It was a near deer. I don't guess any of you folks have ever had that issue. Reset my trip meter. Head back to the house and dismount, transfer my files over to my PC, see how the audio turned out. Today is September the 2nd. Temperature is about 75 degrees, maybe if it's that high, maybe 73. It's 12:20. Take this little sexy bit of Liberty Road. I really dislike this road. There's too many curves and twists. Said no biker ever. The more the better. Hey, want to slow it down just a bit. There's my friend Joe Douglas's farm. Does horse boarding. Turn on some tunes here and see how this picks up. Kudzu, kudzu, kudzu. It's taking over the world. You're like a rubber ball. Do you have kudzu where you live? Is it under control? If it seems to be under control, just give it an hour. Let that doggy poopy. new Peterbilt sales place they're working on. Pretty good operation, looks like it's going to be.
Thinking this is all you